Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I was inspired by my nails. I love doing this. Every time I'm doing my nail art, I just love it so much that I get so much inspiration to create a nail look based on my nails and the color combination. So that is what I did today. So we have this burgundy and gold look that are perfectly matching my burgundy and gold nails. I'm obsessed with these so much. So perfect for fall and the holidays. And they're available on my Etsy, so you can get this press-on set just for you as well. I'll link it down below so you guys can check that out. And I know I tend to do this eye look quite a lot lately. I don't know what it is about it. I'm just so drawn to it, obsessed. And it's so quick and easy to do and looks so glam and like you put in a lot of work, but we all know the secret. It's really quick and simple. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into Danessa Meyer's Color Fix Matte Liquid Pigment in Chocolate. Using my Sigma E06 wing liner brush, I'm going to create that graphic liner shape. So I just had to perfect it a little bit off camera because I have to be super close up to the mirror. But what I did was I kind of just relaxed my brow and then looked straight ahead into the mirror. And then created that line a little bit above my lid because I wanted to be able to see that shape when I open my eye. I'm now going to fill in the entire area with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma. And I'm applying most of the product on the outer corner. And then when I have barely any product left on the brush, I'm just going to feather that in. So we are going to fill in the inner part with a different shade, but because I wanted to make sure that this look was as simple as it can be, it's just easier to create the whole shape and then fill in the entire shape rather than stopping it and then creating the different shade in the inner part. So now let's move on to the fun part and spice up this look. I'm now going into Danessa Meyer's Color Fix Metallic Liquid Pigment in Gold Mine. And now applying this gold in the inner half with my P.Louise 7064 brush. And for the detail work, I'm just going to go back into my E06 wing liner brush. And just to blend, I kind of turn the brush this way and then feather that in. I'm using a really, really light hand. I'm also just going to create an inner wing. I'm picking up some of the Danessa Meyer's and Light Halo Powder and Sun. I'm just going to add a light dusting of this sparkle. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into Tati Lashes in 90s Baby. And that's the eye look done. I'm first going to line my lips with the NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige. And then I'm going to fill in my lips with the lip pencil. Now for the center of my lip, I want to add a little bit of a pink hue to kind of tie in with the eyes. So I'm going into this Urban Decay liquid lip color in Cuffed Up. I'm just going to apply this in the center and pat it out. You can also take a lip brush and just kind of blend out the edges. And that is it. This is the completed look of my burgundy and gold holiday makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed. I feel royal with this look. I don't know what it is, just with this color combination and that gold, it just looks and screams royalty queen. I'm loving it. And they match my nails perfectly. So if you like this style of video where my eyes are matching my nails, then let me know because I could definitely create this as a series. So all the products that I used and brushes will be listed down below, as well as everywhere where you can find me on socials. So all my social medias will be listed down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, because more YouTube videos are coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!